Chinese eat spring rolls on Li Chun at the beginning of spring. In wishing to have good health, they come in different flavors, from savory to sweet. Instead of deep frying, we'll pan fry them until super crispy. Let's get started with the super tasty purple sweet potato spring rolls. Here we have some Okinawan purple sweet potatoes. You could also replace them with other types of sweet potatoes or other fillings. Peel the Okinawan purple sweet potatoes and cut them into rings. In a steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil and place the purple sweet potatoes inside. Cover the lid and steam until completely cooked through for about 15 minutes. Carefully take out the sweet potatoes and rest until slightly cooled down. In a food processor, add the cooled down purple sweet potatoes. Sugar, add more or less based on your preferences. And whole milk. Blend it until it becomes a paste. You could also just mash it in a mixing bowl. Place the pastry back in a glass. Add the filling inside. Seal the opening and cut open the tip. Lay a spring roll wrapper flat. Squeeze the filling in the center. Tightly fold the bottom corner up, followed by the two sides toward the center. Continue to roll it up and brush beaten egg at the top. Roll it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. In a pan over medium-high heat, add the oil inside. Place the spring rolls in the pan. Pan fry until crispy for about 4 minutes in total. Chinese people are huge believers in symbolism. Eating certain foods brings good luck, fortune, and health. We also believe in order to have the blessings, we need to have good karmas. So let's all try to be kind to one another, even just a little at a time. And yes, I wish everyone great health after eating today's spring rolls. Happy cooking and enjoy! It is absolutely amazing. It is so crispy. I love it. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. Subscribe, follow, and like, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!